I'm David Burton. I'm co-founder of FanAngel, and FanAngel is all about sports. And being able to fundraise for sports, from your Pee Wee soccer team all the way up to professionals and their charities. When it came time to develop a platform, I needed high quality engineers quickly. We had the design, we had the basic concepts, we had the proof of concept, and now we had to get it to market. On the Central Coast where FanAngel is headquartered, top quality talent is pretty hard to come by. So having a partnership with Binary has really been beneficial. The team at Binary is my back-end team. They do the database management, they do the PHP, they do all the development outside of my UI. Even in the Valley, and you hear about Ukraine having really good engineers, and it's true. It's been true so far with us, our partnership. The three key things that really stood out to Binary Studios was they really wanted a long-term partnership, and I did too. They had quality engineers from the start, and they had a satellite office in the US, in Silicon Valley. I was able to meet with them. We went to coffee, and they worked with some of my needs face-to-face. That made a big difference. Binary's really been pivotal in FanAngel's success. I can speak complete honesty. I recommend Binary because A, quality. The quality of the employees is key whenever looking for any startup, any company, period. You're only as good as your best employees. And in software, it's even more so. The difference between an average software developer and an expert is tenfold, 20-fold sometimes. Being able to quickly find high-quality engineers and a high-quality team is absolutely pivotal in success for any startup. And that's why I've used Binary and why I'll continue to use Binary.